Hello viewers, it's me Mukil again. I have a challenge for you. Can you bend a bow? I can. Keep watching this video, I'll show you how to do it. Alright, welcome to my experiment lab. To do this experiment, we need a chicken bone. I had a very good chicken feast. I ate all the flesh from it and I just left a bone. And I saved it for this experiment and a jar in some vinegar. Can we try to bend the bone? It's very strong because it's made out of calcium. If we didn't have bones, we would be flat. That's why our moms ask us to eat egg and drink milk. They're rich in calcium. Alright, I added some vinegar inside the jar and added the bone. Keep it for 3 days, then observe. Let's eat after 3 days and try to bend the bone. Alright, it's been 3 days. Let's open the jar and take the bone. Alright, I took the bone out of the jar. Let's see and try to bend the bone. Whoa, it is rubber. Alright, let's understand what happened. The bone is made out of calcium. That's why it is strong. When we soak it in the vinegar sucked all the calcium from the bone. Then the bone is rubber. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel.